Hello, good morning. How are you all? Are you reading this Saudi Arabia chapter at your home? इतने इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर्स हैं. The chapters are so interesting about whether it is Democratic Republic of Congo or Greenland or Saudi Arabia. Now I really feel good to study about these unique places on the earth. So are you reading it at your home? And are you sharing it with your parents? इट्स गुड ना. आप शेयर किया करो, अपनी मम्मा को बताया करो कि मम्मा आपको पता है अर्थ पे एक ऐसी जगह भी है जहां पर ऐसा होता है, जहां पर पोलर बियर्स होते हैं, जहां पर कुछ वीक्स तक सनलाइट रहती है, कुछ मंथ्स तक सन आता ही नहीं है. एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट है कुछ जगहों पर जो पूरे साल में कभी सूखते ही नहीं है. सो I think it's better you just share all that things with your parents. उसके two benefits हैं. Your parent will also enjoy the same जो अभी तुम enjoy कर रहे हो, and also what will happen? You will learn the chapter. It's so easy. So today here myself Mitali, I'm your social science teacher, and we are doing our chapter number 8, which is Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. So yesterday in the previous session, what we have discussed about the climate, the vegetation and the wildlife. We like the wildlife now. I do like this. So today we are going to discuss about three different topics. One is natural resources. We all know what are natural resources. Just we get to know that in Saudi Arabia which natural resources found there. The next we are going to study about the economy. Economy हम बाकी दो chapters में भी पढ़ चुके हैं. That economy is about how they get the country income, how they get the country's income. And the next we are going to study about is transport. So bete, it's on page number 43 of your book. Page number 43. I am going to start with natural resource. So जब मैंने ये chapter start कराया था, then when we have started discussing about the location of Saudi Arabia, then I have told you कि ये कुछ ऐसा एरिया है जहां से एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट नेचुरल रिसोर्स आता है एंड इंडिया में बहुत ज्यादा इंपोर्ट किया जाता है. यू नो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज पेट्रोल. यस, यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड टू नो कि हमारे इंडिया का मोर देन 80% पेट्रोल कंजम्पशन, वेयर इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम? Yeah, it is coming from Iran and Saudi Arabia. More than 80%. So that means if India is importing more than 80% of its consumption, so all other countries कितना import करती होंगी. So from this we get to know two things. One is natural resource, petroleum. It is found in abundance there. Abundance means in very large quantity. Second thing, इकोनॉमी में भी हेल्प हो गई हमारी कि फ्रॉम वेयर द इनकम इज कमिंग. द इनकम इज कमिंग फ्रॉम एक्सपोर्टिंग द पेट्रोलियम. सो लेट्स रीड फ्रॉम योर बुक पेज नंबर 43. Natural resources. Petroleum is the chief natural resource found in Saudi Arabia. 1/5 of the total petroleum of the world, पूरे world में, the amount of petroleum that is required in whole world. Out of that whole requirement, 1/5 of petroleum is found in Saudi Arabia and accounts for this 40% of the country's income. And this export of petroleum, it creates 40% of the income of the country. Saudi Arabia is the largest exporter of oil in the world. पूरे world में सबसे ज़्यादा जो oil को export करती है country, which is that country? Yeah, luckily we are reading about that. It's Saudi Arabia. Okay, so which is the petroleum, which is the natural resource which is found in abundance there? That is petroleum. So moving on to next topic, which is economy. The economy of Saudi Arabia is based on oil. Of course, वहाँ की जितनी भी इकोनॉमी है वो किस पे डिपेंड करती है? On oil. It is the largest exporter of petroleum products in the world that we have studied. The category is so rich in the the country is so rich in the minerals such as gold, silver. So there are some other minerals also that we can find there, like gold, silver, copper and zinc. It also export और भी कुछ मिलता है वहां पे. What is that? That is platinum, chrome, titanium and the precious stones. पता है जब जब भी कहीं घूमने जाते हैं, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम दुबई कभी घूमने गए, है ना, जब हम दुबई घूमने जाते हैं ना, अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछना कि पापा ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो हम दुबई से खरीद के आते हैं, तो ही विल टेल यू कि वहां से हम लोग क्या खरीद सकते हैं, गोल्ड। और वहां से हम क्या लाते हैं, प्रीशियस स्टोन्स। स्टोन्स जो मम्मा के रिंग में होते हैं ना, ग्रीन कलर, रेड कलर, these are some stones. Diamonds are also stones. So these are some stones that are commonly found there. So agriculture is practiced in a small limited area. एग्रीकल्चर तो थोड़े ही एरिया में होगा, बिकॉज देयर इज नो वेजिटेशन, हम तो पढ़ ही चुके हैं ऑलरेडी। As only a smart part of country is suitable for growing crops, there are no rivers, no lakes in the country, so there is little, very little rainfall. Only in that area जो हमने पढ़ा था ना, that mountains, rugged mountains, the western part where Red Sea is there, only that area receives rainfall. Therefore, water for irrigation and domestic purposes. Yes, I think in the Zoom session you asked me, ma'am, if there is no water, then how the people are surviving there? वो पानी पीने का कहाँ से लाते हैं? So this is how they are surviving. For domestic purpose and for irrigation, the water is coming from desalting sea water. What they are doing is they are desalting. Desalting is removing the salt from sea water. Sea water is very salty. You cannot have it like this कि गए एक ग्लास पानी भरा समुद्र में से और पी लिया. You cannot do that. Because it's the salt content is very high in that. So what they are doing is they are desalting that water. That means they are removing the salt from that water and then they are consuming that water for their domestic purposes, घर पे काम के लिए, and also for the irrigation. Irrigation means to give the water to the plants. Some of the major crops, now what all crops are grown there is wheat, rice, alfalfa and dates. Dates तो हमको पता है. So these are few of the crops that are commonly found there. So moving on to the transport. Transport कैसा होगा? Water transport तो हो ही नहीं सकता. There is no water there. So हमारे पास we have only two options left with us. One is air transport, one is land transport. Yeah, so let's read it. Over the years, a good system of roads have come to existence in Saudi Arabia. यानी कि from past times to now there has been created a network of roads. Roads construct हो गई हैं वहाँ पे. Even a railway line has also been laid between Riyadh and Dammam. Dammam or Riyadh. Riyadh, we know what is Riyadh. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. So from Riyadh and Dammam, Dammam is a place in Saudi Arabia, the railway line, the railway track has also been established. Some international airports are there. A very famous international airport is there in Riyadh and Jeddah, I'm telling you. Though international airports are located at Riyadh, Jeddah and Dharan. Jeddah serves as a seaport also. If you will turn your page or if you will see this picture, you will see that where is Jeddah. Jeddah कहाँ पर है? बिल्कुल सी के साथ में है. So that means Jeddah is also used for air transport because one international airport is there and also it is used for seaport क्योंकि sea साथ में है उसके, तो it is also used for seaport. So today we have discussed about the natural resources, the economy and the transport that we can find in Saudi Arabia. So read the chapter thoroughly beta, अच्छे से पढ़ो papers. As you know the internals are going to come, so it's better मैम के साथ साथ पढ़ लो. Zoom session में भी help हो जाएगी. You will get to you will get some doubts and you can clear it with your teacher and also you can prepare for your terminals. So prepare, okay? Bye.